Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoho Books for sales tax reporting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Zoho Books for sales tax reporting, start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, select taxes. Under the taxes section, click on sales tax. Choose add new sales tax to create a new tax rate. Enter the name of the sales tax you wish to configure. Specify the applicable tax rate as a percentage. Select the jurisdictions for which this tax will apply. Click on Save to record the new sales tax. Next, go to Sales Tax Preferences in the Taxes section. Enable the option that allows Zoho Books to automatically calculate sales tax on transactions. Save your preferences. Now, navigate to Items in the left sidebar. Select an item you want to apply sales tax to. In the item details, locate the sales tax field. Choose the appropriate sales tax from the drop-down menu. Save the changes to the item. Repeat this process for any other items that require sales tax configuration. To set up tax reporting, return to the Taxes section in Settings. Look for Reports under Sales Tax. Select Sales Tax Return. Choose the appropriate period for which you want to generate the report. Click on View Report to see details of the collected sales tax. Review the report to ensure accuracy. If everything is correct, proceed to file your sales tax as required by your jurisdiction. Remember to regularly check and update your sales tax settings as necessary. With these steps completed, you are now ready to manage sales tax reporting in Zoho Books effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.